Businesses do best to report and claim GST. I am in the business of buying and renovating property. What about the GST? Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MWL Financial Group, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. Generally speaking, the purchase and sale of residential property is not subject to GST unless, of course, it's the first sale of that property or the sale of an extensively renovated property. Now, there's no definition of extensively renovated in the Tax Act, and it's a topic for another video. So for now, let's talk about simple cosmetic renovations. Because GST is not applicable to the purchase and sale of residential property, the GST in relation to the renovation of them is also not claimable as an input for BAS purposes. If we are in the business and registered for GST, we need to quarantine those expenses directly related to the renovation and not to include them in the calculation of GST inputs we are claiming. That doesn't mean we lose them totally, as we claim the full amount of the expense including GST in our profit calculation. Real issues occur where taxpayers use takeover strategies instead of flipping or a mixture of both. In a takeover strategy, the taxpayer never actually owns the property, but in essence is providing a service to the owner, and as such GST is applicable to their share of the deal, and as such making the GST input used to make that profit claimable. In this event, the GST input would need to be quarantined and claimed as opposed to the GST inputs on a flip, which would need to be quarantined and not claimed. Confused? MWL experts know these laws inside out and can assist you with your reporting and claiming of GST. Contact us at compliance@mwl.com.au and we can work you through your needs and get you the right outcome.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MWL Financial Group, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.